All right, time to turn to the weather. Now, it is a first alert weather day because while we don't have any problems right now, we know that we are going to see some changes later this afternoon, Aaron.
Exactly. First alert weather day. So we started alerting you over the weekend, really, that there was a possibility of strong storms. And now we just want you to be prepared as we watch the forecast into this afternoon. There's nothing going on right now except sunshine and warmth. So get out and enjoy it while you can. 63 in McKinney, just below 70 in Denton and Fort Worth, 65 in Dallas. Everyone dealing with the south-southeast wind. Everyone a little warmer than this time yesterday. We've got low 70s from Bridgeport to Mineral Wells, down towards Comanche as well. Palestine sitting at 70 degrees, and I think everyone gets into the 70s this afternoon, even some mid-70s before we watch for storm activity to develop. So here's what we're tracking. Today, the rain and storm chances at 20%, but it picks up to 40% tonight as a cold front is going to swing through. There is the possibility of strong to severe storms for this evening, so we're going to walk you through that. We're not expecting severe weather for everyone, though, which is pretty important to note. This is a conditional severe weather threat for this afternoon and evening, and it's going to move quickly. By tomorrow, we're done with any active weather, but it is going to be much colder, so that's something we need to alert you to as well. We've had such warm weather the last couple of days, and tomorrow we're going to be in the 40s. Feeling like the 30s. So the first alert weather day for today prompted for strong to severe storms possible, but there is a cap in place. So we have to watch this afternoon to see if the cap erodes or if these storms that potentially develop could break the cap. If and when this storm development happens, I think it's going to be around 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon, and it's going to continue through about 10, 11 o'clock this evening. All types of severe weather will be possible, particularly large hail and damaging wind is what we're concerned about, but we can't rule out the possibility of some brief spin-ups as well. So here's a look at Futurecast. Most of this afternoon featuring sunny skies, but here we go. At 3, 4 o'clock, we watch out towards Jack County into Wise County to see if we can get a couple of storms going. This is one particular model that does have the cap breaking, and so here we start to see more storm activity. This is north and west of the Metroplex through that 5, 6 p.m. time frame. Now, as we get closer to 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, we start to see these storms enter Denton County, start to approach Tarrant County, moving through Parker County as well, and then they move very quickly through Collin County, through Dallas County. This is 9 o'clock in the evening, and this is where we're likely dealing with a large hail threat and maybe a damaging wind threat. We'll also watch right along that leading edge to see if we can get any brief spin-ups going on. Does move through quickly. It weakens as it's moving east, at least for us here in North Texas, and then by the overnight hours, it's just cloudy. It's getting colder. That cold front is swinging through, and then tomorrow it's really about the cold and the wind as well. So a level 2 slight risk for most of our Metroplex, and then of course the farther north and east you go. Do want to show you what's expected into parts of Arkansas, Mississippi, and even parts of Tennessee as well, the Memphis area, under a level 3 enhanced risk. So this is where the dynamics are going to be best, but it's the same system moving through our region here, so we're watching for those strong to severe storms as well. Wind damage is a concern. Large hail is likely the biggest threat from this. That tornado threat, it's low, but it's not non-existent. And then the flooding threat, we're not expecting this to be a flooding issue. These storms are going to move too quickly. Then tomorrow, we've got clouds in the morning, maybe some breaks in the clouds in the afternoon, but highs only in the 40s. And it's going to be feeling like the 30s. So first alert weather day for today. We don't have a first alert weather day for tomorrow, but it is going to be drastically colder. Friday morning, 29. It's probably going to be feeling like the low 20s, but the temperatures do get better into the weekend, even up to 71 by Sunday, Karen.
All right, we like that part. Yeah. Aaron, thank you.